Ke parti BJP ha Meghalaya mentak sini ke spotrak ujerleu arajar arpun reu kala pelong ya ke jing duai ha office trekam jong ke parti bandrakhe ya ke jing dap khat ar snem ke jing sensyar Narendra Modi padha kene ke po pathan chatelami ke India kala yo ya ke jing keu ha ke yo ke kot ke seng kala ai ke jing kubur jong ka ya ke jing bo thong menterang ba do ke India men pelong ya ke India ke bala keu ha shwau snem shejar khandai pa sau punyo bat kum ke seng kala pelong ya ke jing duai na ki kenhon nyam per kum ke nyam Kristen nyam tri Hindu lepuli ru na ke Quran Sanskrit na ki Hindu ke jing duai kalong banduai na ke bentau menterang ba do jong keri baha ke jinglam jong u keri kandang kio ha barok kiliang bat ban pentik na ya ke syongsok syongsan ha north east bat na ke benda ke roi ke par ha ke ni ketan ya ke jinglang banduai le penyai dau ba A L Hek MLA ke jingidan lang u presiden ke parti BJP hakene ke jela Urikman G Momen usagar reka National Vice President ke BJP berdepet ya kirit pat.
Our respected presidents and all our Karyakata for gathering here today for the reasons that we have a very big reason to celebrate the achievement of 12 years of our honorable Prime Minister, our beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. At the same time, we have also our friends who have come all the way from Gujarat, the former MP, and also have been here 20 years back. You have to be welcome him and also give a big round of applause to our Sagarji, who have come all the way from Gujarat to celebrate with all of us, with the people of Meghalaya, for the achievement that we have been given to our country today. To Modi, the 12 years of the Modi government, Seva, Samaran, Sushasan and Bikash. We have done so round development. With this few words I'd like to share with all of you, and I wish that BJP in 2028 will be a BJP-led government in Meghalaya. And thank you and God bless you all.